Alright guys, welcome back. This is going to be part 2 of the Nova restoration. So all we've done is we took off the front right fender. My dad is currently sanding the trunk lid. We're going to sand it all down, get ready to paint. I'm getting ready to take this fender off also as well. And the other thing we've done was just clear it all out. Looks way nicer on the inside. All that crap's out of it. So here's all the parts for it, and the engine, and a couple more things. Transmission's still at that guy's house, but yeah, we'll get that soon once we get our engine lift or whatever you call it back. This is going to be the dash, pretty nice old one, and yeah. So my dad's got half of this side done so far.
Long ways to go.
We don't know if the original actual color was this green, but it was green at one point. And see like little cracks green there. I don't know though. I think we're going to paint it either green or like a nice purple. I don't know, I'm thinking of green. We saw a purple Nova like literally like an hour ago. And it looked nice. Clean, restored. Drop some more green on there. There's the inside steering wheel. Hey guys, okay, so we're going to take off this breakdown here. Hot. Yeah. Dad, it's fastened there.
You should put a bolt in the fender up here so you don't have to jack with it falling. off the bolt. Really go through it. Come out of break.
So we got us a new engine, 350 V8 small block. We got it for $400. Was $500, but we marked it down $100. And here's Edelbrock carburetor. A carburetor is like $400. The carburetor, one of the engines. So we got a real good deal on this engine. We just got it yesterday. A lot better than the one 327. Alright, so we got the Nova lifted up on the lip, and we looked underneath of it, and man, is it clean. There's hardly any rust. Quarter panels are redone and stuff. It's very nice. We got a steel on this car. And we're getting ready to power wash the engine, get the oil off and crap, and soon we're gonna get paint and paint the block. So yeah, and this is pretty much gonna close for part 2. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.